Sa pang, like, I'm curious, how do you think of luck? Yung swerte.
I am a firm believer of luck. As in, parang naniniwala ko, no matter how hard you try, no matter how good you are, if walang aspect ng luck, ang hirap eh. I mean, like, for example, ikaw, di ba? Yung work mo sa
Mm.
travel industry, think about it. Kung hindi mo nakita yung 24-hour story tungkol sa hiring sila ng intern, hindi ka mapapadpad sa ganyang line of work, di ba? So, it was luck. I mean, kahit pag gaano ka,
Oh, yeah, yeah.
kahit
True.
anong prepared ka, you have the skills, kung hindi mo nakita yung story na yun, you would not have been able to apply for it. So, it's always a balance of luck and skill. Kasi at the same time, sinuwerte ka nga, may nag-present opportunity. Pero you don't have the
Yeah.
skills to back it up, to maximize that opportunity, wala din eh. So, for me, although I am a firm believer of luck, I believe din na kailangan nasasabayan ng skills mo yung luck and opportunity na dumadating sa'yo.
Mm, mm, mm. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So, I mean, at the end of the day, iniisip ko, what you can control is yung hard work. So, you could work hard, build yung skill mo. If the opportunity comes, diba? If yung luck mo, like, aligns, if the stars aligns, then, tsaka ka makaka-strike. Yeah. Yeah. But it could take so many years, 'di ba? Before. Kailan, I mean, looking back, kailan tayo nag-start? I started 2016. Probably you're the same year.
7 years.
Like, ano na ngayon? To
Ah,
2023. So, that's 7 years. 7 years.